Yesterday, I was at the Registry of Deeds and I ran into a colleague of mine who had just left housing court, and he was absolutely irate because the court made an unfavorable decision against this attorney, against his client. And he starts telling me the situation his client's in, and it's a very, very common situation. The client was a real estate investor who purchased the house knowing that there was a tenant inside the house who was not willingly going to leave. So I believe the person bought the property from a bank, which is very, very common. You get a great deal on the price of the house, but then you're facing what could be a year or more worth of legal proceedings to get the stubborn tenant out of the house legally. So I thought I'd make this video as just a caution to the real estate investors out there. If you buy a house, even if it's a great deal on the house and there's a tenant inside, you could spend thousands and thousands of dollars trying to evict that person, and it could take years. I'm aware of cases where the tenant has been in the house for over 10 years after the property was foreclosed. All right? That's how the eviction process works in Massachusetts. It's very unfair towards the landlord. And also, another thing to keep in mind, not only do you have to pay your lawyer and all of the court costs in the eviction process, but if you violate certain Massachusetts landlord-tenant laws, then you could end up paying the tenant's legal fees and owing the tenant money. If in any way it could be made out that you or the previous owner messed up with the security deposit, breached the warranty of habitability, of quiet enjoyment, or any number of other things. So be careful. If you're buying a piece of property and it's a good deal, but there's a tenant inside, just know that it's possible that tenant could be there for a very long time, and it could cost you tens of thousands of dollars if the matter goes to court and it's unfavorable for you.